In this video, we listed the 5 best wood planer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Multifunctional Woodworking Planer. The 13-inch press planer by Kotomi is a robust tool designed for precision planing tasks. With a power rating of 2000 W and a voltage requirement of 220 V/50 Hz, this planer operates at a no-load speed of 8000 R/min, allowing for efficient material removal. It offers a single planing thickness range of 1 to 3 mm and a planing width of 330 mm, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking projects. The planer can handle materials with a single planing height of 6 to 160 mm, providing versatility in applications. Weighing 28 kilograms and with packaging dimensions of 527*370 x 450 mm, this planer is a durable and reliable tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. Small Household Planer. The product in question is a 13-inch press planer, a regular model designed for woodworking tasks. It operates on a voltage of 220 V/50 Hz and has a power capacity of 2000 W. The machine has a no-load speed of 8000 R/min and can achieve a single planing thickness of 1 to 3 mm. With a planing width of 330 mm and a single planing height ranging from 6 to 160 mm, it offers versatility in handling different wood sizes. The product dimensions are 527*370 x 450 mm, with a weight of 28 kilograms. Manufactured by Kotomi in mainland China, this planer is suitable for various woodworking projects requiring precision and efficiency. Number 3. 220 V Electric Woodworking Planer. The automatic feeding planer by Yesokai boasts a planing height range of 6 to 160 mm and a planing depth of 3 mm per pass, making it suitable for various woodworking tasks. Crafted from durable aluminum die casting, this machine weighs 26.5 kilograms and features automatic feeding and discharge functions, eliminating the need for manual intervention. It offers adjustable planing height based on wood size and comes with an additional belt for customers. With specifications including a power of 1850 W, a planing width of 305 mm, and a feed rate of 6 m per minute, this thicknesser is designed for efficiency and durability. Operating at 8500 RR/min with a voltage frequency of 220 V/50 Hz, this machine from mainland China is ideal for a wide range of woodworking applications. Number 4. Multifunctional Woodworking Planer. The Multifunctional Woodworking Planer DW735 is a versatile electric planer machine designed for various woodworking tasks. With a powerful 1800 W motor, China version, and a maximum planing width of 330 mm, it can handle cutting deeper and larger hardwood with ease. The machine features a 2-speed gearbox that allows for adjustable feed speeds ranging from 96 to 179 times per inch of planing, ensuring precision and efficiency in operation. Additionally, the planer offers a maximum planing thickness of 152 mm and a minimum planing thickness of 5 mm, along with features like cutting thickness and depth stop adjustments for precise planning. The product comes with a manual in both Chinese and English, operates at 220 V/50 Hz voltage, and weighs 42 kilograms. It also includes safety instructions for receiving the parcel, paying customs duties, and checking the package upon delivery. The DW735 is suitable for professional woodworking applications and offers reliable performance for various projects. Number 5. Multifunction Woodworking Machine. The woodworking planer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for small household woodworking projects. With a voltage of 220 V and a power of 1850 W, this electric planer operates at a no-load speed of 8500 R/min and a feed rate of 6 m/min. It offers a planing width of 304 mm and can handle planing heights ranging from 6 to 160 mm, with a planing depth of 3 mm per pass. Made from die-cast aluminum alloy, this planer is sturdy and durable, weighing 26.5 kilograms. The product comes with various shipping options, including international express delivery services like DHL, FedEx, TNT, UPS, and EMS, with a note to check the package for any damage before signing for it. The seller's shipping method may have specific restrictions, so it's advised to confirm shipping details after payment. Additionally, the seller's working hours are from 9 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. Beijing time, ensuring prompt responses within 24 hours during operational hours.